So this is a video of a young boy, I think he's only 18 months old. He's basically terrified of fireworks. Previously, he would have been shaking like a leaf and digging his heels in, refusing to move. Now you'll see and hear lots of absolute rubbish online about vests you can buy that reduce anxiety or using earmuffs for dogs. It's never going to solve the problem. The only way to solve the problem is by exposing the dog to these situations time and time again until they understand it's nothing to be worried about. The worst thing you can do in these situations is constantly keep talking to the dog and trying to reassure them. Because to the dog, you're just bringing more anxiety, more energy to a situation that's already very stressful and overwhelming for them. As you can see throughout this video, I never talk to the dogs, I never try and reassure them, I never give them treats, never give them any fuss, because that's just bringing more pressure to this situation. The best thing to do is just remain quiet and calm and just lead by example. Now, it's one thing me remaining calm and confident in these situations, but if you've got another dog like my German Shepherd that isn't fazed by fireworks at all, take them with you, because their calmness and confidence in these situations will help the other dog chill out and settle too. Now, it's important that this is loose, okay? If that's tight, you're constantly applying pressure to the dog, and he's always thinking that something's happening. He's anxious all the time, there's pressure on him all the time. The fact that it's loose shows him that I'm relaxed, I'm calm, so he can be relaxed and calm. So we're now about 20 minutes into the walk. Right at the start, the poor dog was shivering, shaking, tail between his legs. As you can see now, after about 20 minutes, his tail's normal, relaxed, sometimes even wagging. He's not fazed by the fireworks now. He seems quite calm and confident. We've been out for around 30 minutes now. As you can see, he's not bothered in the slightest now. Lots of loud fireworks going off right next to him, not fazed at all.